The giraffe, scientifically known as Giraffe camelopardalis, is one of the most iconic and beloved animals on the planet, instantly recognizable due to its towering height and unique appearance. As the tallest land animal, giraffes can reach heights of up to 18 feet, with males generally being larger than females. This extraordinary height is a remarkable adaptation that enables them to thrive in their natural habitat. Giraffes are members of the Giraffidae family, which also includes the okapi, a smaller, forest-dwelling relative. The giraffe's long neck, slender legs, and distinctively patterned coat make it a favorite among wildlife enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Their long necks, which can measure over 6 feet, serve not just as a unique physical trait but also provide several practical advantages, allowing them to forage for food high up in the trees where other herbivores cannot reach. Giraffes are native to the open savannas, grasslands, and woodlands of Africa, where they roam freely in search of food and water. These vast landscapes are dotted with acacia trees and other tall vegetation, which form the primary food source for giraffes. The giraffe's habitat is characterized by wide open spaces and scattered trees, allowing them to graze on leaves and buds that are often inaccessible to other herbivores. This ability to reach the upper foliage sets them apart from other grazing animals, giving them a competitive advantage in their ecosystem. The tall trees not only provide nourishment but also play a significant role in the social behavior of giraffes, as they tend to gather in areas where food is abundant. When it comes to their diet, giraffes are herbivores with a strong preference for the leaves, flowers, and fruits of various trees, particularly acacia. Their long, prehensile tongues are specially adapted for stripping leaves from branches, with tongues that can reach lengths of up to 18 inches. This impressive length is not just for show, it serves a functional purpose, allowing them to grasp and maneuver around thorns that are commonly found on their favorite food sources. The texture of their tongues is also remarkably tough, enabling them to strip leaves cleanly and efficiently. Giraffes can consume large quantities of foliage each day, and during the dry season, they may travel great distances in search of food and water, demonstrating their adaptability to changing environmental conditions. Giraffes are social animals that typically live in loose herds. These herds are usually composed of females and their young, while males tend to be more solitary, often joining herds primarily during the mating season. The social structure of giraffe herds is not strictly hierarchical. Instead, it is fluid and flexible, allowing for a dynamic interaction among individuals. Giraffes are known for their calm demeanor and often engage in gentle interactions, such as grooming each other or rubbing their necks together, which helps to strengthen social bonds. These social behaviors are crucial for their survival, as being part of a herd provides protection against predators and allows for cooperative feeding strategies. Migration is another fascinating aspect of giraffe behavior. While giraffes do not undertake long migratory journeys like some other African species, they do move to find food and water, especially during the dry season when resources become scarce. These movements can involve traveling several miles from their usual grazing areas in search of better feeding opportunities. Giraffes possess a keen sense of their environment, enabling them to navigate their habitat effectively and locate the best resources available. This adaptability is essential for their survival in the wild, as it allows them to respond to changes in their surroundings. The reproductive cycle of giraffes is equally intriguing. After a gestation period of approximately 15 months, a female giraffe gives birth to a single calf, which is born into a world that poses many challenges. Remarkably, the newborn calf is able to stand and walk within a few hours of birth, a rapid development that is crucial for survival. Young giraffes are vulnerable to predators, such as lions and hyenas, so being able to move quickly is vital. Mothers are extremely attentive and protective of their calves, often keeping them close to ensure their safety. The calf typically stays with its mother for about 12 months, during which it learns essential survival skills, social behaviors, and the intricacies of navigating their environment. Giraffes reach maturity at around 3 to 4 years of age, at which point they can begin to reproduce themselves. In terms of lifespan, giraffes in the wild typically live for about 25 years. However, those in captivity often have longer lifespans, sometimes reaching 30 years or more. This extended lifespan in captivity can be attributed to better access to food, medical care, and protection from predators, allowing them to thrive in a controlled environment where their needs are consistently met. Zoos and wildlife reserves have implemented various breeding programs and conservation efforts to support the giraffe population and educate the public about the challenges these magnificent animals face. Unfortunately, giraffes encounter numerous threats in the wild, leading to significant declines in their populations. Habitat loss due to human encroachment, agriculture, and urban development poses a primary concern, as these activities reduce the available space for giraffes to live and feed. Additionally, poaching and illegal hunting are serious risks, as giraffes are targeted for their skin, meat, and even bones. The demand for giraffe parts in traditional medicine and the illegal wildlife trade further exacerbate the challenges facing these animals. Conservation efforts are currently underway to address these issues, including the establishment of protected areas and wildlife reserves that aim to preserve giraffe habitats and populations. There are also several interesting facts about giraffes that add to their allure. For instance, did you know that giraffes sleep for only short periods, often standing up? This behavior allows them to remain alert to potential threats in their environment. When they do lie down, they typically curl their necks back to their bodies, a position that helps them stay aware of their surroundings. Additionally, giraffes communicate with one another through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even low-frequency sounds that are inaudible to the human ear. This silent communication can be crucial for maintaining group cohesion and alerting others to danger. The use of body language, such as neck movements and positioning, also plays a significant role in their social interactions. Giraffes have an incredibly efficient cardiovascular system that enables them to pump blood to their heads, which are located far above their hearts. Their hearts can weigh up to 25 pounds and are specially adapted to manage the high blood pressure required to maintain circulation. This adaptation is essential for their survival, especially when they bend down to drink water, as the sudden drop in head height could potentially cause blood to rush to their heads. Their unique anatomy and adaptations make them one of the most fascinating species in the animal kingdom. In conclusion, the giraffe is a remarkable animal that embodies the beauty and diversity of wildlife in Africa. With their towering height, distinctive appearance, and unique behaviors, giraffes capture the hearts and imaginations of those who encounter them. As we continue to learn more about these incredible creatures, it is essential to recognize the challenges they face and the importance of protecting their habitats. Through concerted conservation efforts and increased awareness, we can ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to admire and appreciate the grandeur of the giraffe in its natural habitat. By fostering a deeper understanding of the giraffe's role in the ecosystem and the threats it faces, we can work together to create a world where these magnificent animals can thrive for years to come. Protecting giraffes is not just about saving a single species. It is about preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet and ensuring that future generations can enjoy the wonders of wildlife. The giraffe stands as a symbol of the delicate balance between nature and human activity, reminding us of our responsibility to safeguard the natural world. As we strive to protect these majestic animals, let us also inspire others to appreciate and respect the beauty of nature. Together, we can create a future where giraffes roam freely across the African savanna, continuing to enchant and inspire all who are fortunate enough to witness their grace and elegance. The giraffe is more than just a beautiful creature. It is a vital part of the ecosystem and a testament to the importance of conservation efforts in maintaining the delicate balance of life on Earth.